Good morning, family. How y'all doing? Antoine Smalls Financial Blueprint. Today is Tuesday, last day home. We got a long week ahead. All right, InvestFest 2026 in Atlanta. We are spending our week at InvestFest. Looking forward to it, man. If you are an investor, someone that's looking to grow, if it's just network, it's just connections, right? Business connections, networking, trying to expand knowledge, information, education. InvestFest is definitely where to be. So it's happening with me. If you're going to InvestFest, hit me up, let me know, send me a DM, and let's connect, right? So we're going to spend a bunch of time this weekend talking to a bunch of people, having a lot of conversations, and really just, adding value as much as possible to anyone and everyone that needs it, right? So I wanted to spend some time this morning and talking about a quality that's needed when it comes to investing, that's a little bit not talked about, right? So over the last year, over the last 6 months, 3 months, we've seen Microsoft, companies like Amazon, kind of underperform, right? The stock has not been moving a lot. They've been underperforming their industry, underperforming their sector, even the leadership of the Mag 7, as they call it. They've been underperforming other stocks, right? And patience is something that is not taught, right? It's hard to tell somebody to wait, to hold, to be patient, right? But what we've seen over this last you know week in the market is how patience pays. Something that is as simple as just relaxing, taking your time, understanding that long term investing is a journey, not a sprint, and you need to be patient. So what we watched Amazon and Microsoft absolutely go crazy after earnings. Last week, their earnings report was out. I've been telling people to get into Microsoft when it was around that 350, 360, 370 range. And we've seen the stock go from the 370, 80s, and 90s all the way up to $100+ in just 3 trading days. We're talking about from a 380 stock all the way up to what we seen yesterday was a 490 stock price, right? So if you've been investing in Microsoft, you have absolutely made a good amount of money over the last couple trading days, as Microsoft has then taken off when it comes to the stock, right? And I've watched portfolios just over the last week go up thousands of dollars based on the fact that patience pays in the market. Patience pays in the market, right? And we've seen the same thing with Amazon. I believe Amazon was only up maybe 1% over the last year, and over a 5-year period, their stock has not moved more than about 10 to 15%. If you look at a 5-year out chart, it's crazy how much Amazon has not moved over the last few years, right? So same thing, Amazon comes down a little bit, it's lagging in the market, and boom, earnings come, great earnings, AWS growth, capex spend is good, their AI section of their business is continuing to grow, right? And it's just an example of why we say long-term investing is key here. Long-term investing is key, right? If you want to go and trade the market, long-term leaps, swing trades at least 6, 9, 12 months out is key, right? If you can get to the leap conversation and you can get out to 12, 15, 24 months, that's even better, right? But more than anything, it's the quality of you as an investor and how you can be disciplined and ultimately patient. That is how you're going to make the most money, is holding great companies, buying at great prices, and allowing those companies to then continue to grow and allow your account to also then to continue to grow. Right? We've been talking about Microsoft, over with the investing community for months now, right? And if you want to join a community that's for you, that's going to teach you, that's going to encourage you, step-by-step process on how to do research, right? How to buy stocks at great prices. We're trying to go risk averse, man. Join the community, link in the description, also pinned to the top of the chat. So again, I'm going to InvestFest this weekend. Looking forward to it. You will see a lot more videos out, a lot more content out from this weekend for sure. EYL and the whole crew, man, we appreciate you. We love you. We thank you, right? So Red Panda Stand Up, Ian Dunlap, Master Investor, shout you out, man, my guy. Definitely tap in with me if you go into InvestFest, man. Antoine Smalls, Financial Blueprint. I'm out. Peace.